Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video, I'll be discussing lambda expressions. So normally when we define a function, we define them by its name. We use a name to define a function, and then we define how many parameters the function will have, how many arguments will pass in that function, um, and that's how we define a function. And every time we want to call that function, we use the name of that function uh, to call it, right? But lambda expressions um, are anonymous functions which do not have a name, right? They can also have any number of arguments, but it has to be only one expressions, right? So let me take an example. Let's say to change temperature, I will define the function Fahrenheit, right? Inside that I'll pass an argument C, okay, and I will return 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Okay, now if I want to call this function Fahrenheit, and if I pass some value, let's say 32 only, so it gives me a value 89.6. So we have changed the Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit temperature. Now if I define one more function, let's say Celsius, and I pass an argument f and return 5 by 9 into f minus 32. Yeah, then print Celsius, and inside that if I pass 89.6, it should give me back 32. Yes, so this is how we define a normal function. Now let's say how to implement the same using a lambda expression. So for a lambda expression, let's say I define a variable f equals to lambda c, such that uh, it returns me 9 by 5 into c plus 32, right? And if I pass an argument 32, it should give me 89.6. Yes, it works. And similarly, again for Celsius, if I want to implement the same, lambda f 5 by 9 into f minus 32, right? And I print C, and if I pass 89.6, it should give me back 32. Yes, so it works. So that's how lambda is implemented, lambda expression is implemented. So that's the difference between a normal function and a lambda expression. I hope you have understood the example and the concept. And if you have any doubts, you can leave comments, and uh, let me know if any kind of programming topic which you want to learn on this channel. And do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.